2004 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD 4x4 gas 6.0. It leaks from the right side. I think it's a transmission fluid line. It's not from this one, it's from the bottom one, and it leaks pretty bad, pretty bad. I don't know, you guys can see all the fluid right there, and where it's leaking is the hosing right there, that one right there. I don't know, you guys can see it, that one right there. I think has an O-ring in there. I'm gonna open it in the second video, and I'm gonna show you how you see all the fluid right here. It smells like, I don't know if it's it's transmission fluid. Yeah, transmission fluid. It's leaking from right there. From right there. There's the to drain the antifreeze, and the upper one, I think it's to cool off the transmission fluid, because on the other side of the radiator is for the oil pretty much. Thank you for watching the video, and I'm gonna make another one fixing the problem.